Greetings and salutations. I'm Tess, and I'm here in the JB Tools studio. Thanks to the great success of our last video, we got to do some really minor upgrades to the studio that we're in. Don't worry, we did hear you about the sound system, so we went ahead, we fired that terrible art director we had, and now we're going to get things going way better. So be prepared. Today I'm going to test and review the Milwaukee Oscillating multi-tool. Welcome back. Here we are. So as I said before, today we're going to be taking a look at the Milwaukee Oscillating multi-tool. So as you've probably figured out, I also have no idea how to use this one. It does look like it's got a blade in it, and I do like having all of my fingers, so we're probably going to be a tad bit safer today, but not too much because that's not fun. So it looks like it's got a 12-volt cut speed. It is the lowest full tool vibration, and it is a tool-free blade change. We got some great packaging, as always, with Milwaukee. Going to go ahead and open this up. All right, got that open. Always the most difficult part. All right, this thing is heavier than I was expecting it to be. Just going to dump everything out there, set this box aside. All right, so we have the main tool itself. This thing looks real nice. Looks like it has some sort of like a speed gauge on it, I'm guessing. In here we have got, looks like some sanding pads. So probably going to be doing some sanding from the rumors that I have heard around the office. And then we have got our blade. Terrifying. And then we do have the instructions. And after what happened in our last video, I do think I'll probably take a look at these instructions this time because it just seems smarter. That is not how you put that in. I don't know how to get that out. All right, this is boring. I'm good with those. So I think we can probably just figure it out. And we're back again. So let's get into the chaos. I'm going to go ahead and try and figure out how to put the blade on this tool. It does say that it is a toolless blade change, but I don't know about that. So from the little bit of the instructions that I did look at, I do know that I need to pull this lever that is on the back. So I'm going to go ahead. That is not that easy, but it's out. All right, and then take a look at the blade. All right. So it looks like this blade has got some rivets in it that are cut specifically to fit into the Milwaukee tool. It also has the Milwaukee logo on it. And it has like a stack of wood with the word wood, which is very convenient for people like me who do not know how to use these tools, have not used them before, and do need to use them on wood. So thank you, Milwaukee, for verifying what I should be using this on. I'm going to go ahead and take the bolt off that is on the end here. Again, we have taken the back out for the release on the bolt. It's decently difficult to unscrew, but that is because I'm a weak little girl. This woman is an idiot. Thank you to all of our users. We do appreciate any and all feedback, and that is how we are going to continue to improve these videos. All right. Oh, that did fit on there pretty nicely. I should probably be safe and not cut myself. As I did mention, my phalanges and I are quite attached at this point. Go ahead and put the screw back in, bolt, I guess. Cool. All right, I got that in. So the blade is straight, and I'm going to go ahead and put the release. That'll take skin off. Just kidding. Anyway, put the release down, and we are going to plane off some of the wood here. I got the blade in, and I'm going to, I do see, as I had mentioned, I think in the beginning of the video, that there is a speed gauge, and when I pulled this out and was getting ready to use it, I noticed that our new art director, Gus, had it on full speed. So we've already fired him and are moving on to the next person. So this tool does not actually come with a battery, so I am going to grab one from our M12 battery pack. This is also available at jbtools.com, and we've always got the best tools at the lowest prices. Don't forget. All right, got the battery in. That went in real nice. I'm going to go ahead and turn this thing on. I am mildly terrified. All right, that's a 3. So we're just going to go ahead and kind of take that down to like a 1, see what that's like. Well, I have already technically cut the wood, but my boss is super boring and decided that OSHA might get upset that I was not wearing proper safety gear. So here we are. I'm going to cut this wood again. This time, I'm going to crank up the speed. On the first video, I only used it at a 1 because I was a chicken. But I'm not a chicken anymore. Hear that, OSHA? We're cranking it up to 4. Let's go. That was a 4. I'm gonna flip this bad boy. We're gonna try a 6. I have hit a knot. Uno momento. We're going to an 8. We made it. All right, now we're going to get on to the final part of our project here. I'm going to go ahead and switch out these tools, and I'm going to sand this piece of wood that I have terribly cut. First things first, I am going to be safe and remove the battery. It is mildly difficult for me to get out. There we go. Got it. Again, I need to stop skipping Arms Day. Gusseton, remind me. Anyway, the battery is removed, again for safety purposes. I am going to go ahead and flip that back up to release the bolt, and hopefully got the bolt removed. Blade pops off real nice and easy. I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside somewhere safe. Milwaukee has provided these great sanding pads for the oscillating multi-tool. I don't, oh, okay. So this is gonna fit on similar to how that did, except just kind of goes over it. I have no idea if there's a specific direction, but I'm gonna guess the Milwaukee logo should be up because that's generally how it goes. All right, I think I'm in. Put the center bolt back in. I've absolutely put this on backwards. Darn it. You know, you would think the Milwaukee logo would go out, but then I guess it makes sense. They want the Milwaukee to face you so that you're constantly seeing their name. It's smart. It's genius. Much smarter than I am. I've lost my coin. I've lost my mind. I've lost my dignity in most of these videos, thank you. All right. Now, that makes more sense. This side, things can stick to. I'm going to go ahead and flip that down. Add my sandpaper. Fits perfectly. I'm going to go ahead and put my battery back in. And to be, let's shake and bake. That is pretty impressive. Can't really blow that off with a mask on. Yeah, that's a lot more even than how I had initially cut it because I have no idea what I'm doing. So thank you. Today I have figured out how to use another one of these incredible tools from Milwaukee. I have managed to not lose a finger. I have managed to listen to every instruction that was given to me, even if I thought they were kind of boring. You can find this tool, the Milwaukee Oscillating Multi-Tool, and the Milwaukee M12 battery pack at jbtools.com. Again, I'm Tess. This is my mildly upgraded studio, and it's been a pleasure. Real bad here. This is a nightmare and I should not build houses, but I'm not. I'm making YouTube videos.